Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today I'm having a bit of fun with a set of designs that I've drawn, and I'm going to make them into a card front panel. So the first thing I did was I just did some basic colouring with some stenciling for the sky. So there's a bit of light blue and there's just layers of sort of cloudy looking type stuff. And then I tore a piece of paper and I used that in layers to do some foreground. Now I have these pieces which I've cut on my cutting machine. I'm going to put these down the bottom. That one can go behind those two. It's just going to slide behind there, and I can put some glue on the tips now. So I'm going to leave that to dry for a moment and concentrate on this piece. Now, for whatever reason, the colour of this is not quite as I wanted it. So I think I'm going to be doing a bit of extra colouring on there. Oops, just went over one of my dots, never mind. With a deeper colour. So you can do this with crayons, you can do it with alcohol markers. You know, if you don't happen to have the right colour in one medium, then you might find you got it in another. And I should have chosen a different colour for the print, I think, but there we go. I'll make it a little bit more red with this particular marker. I'm going to do that and I'll come back when it's finished. The next piece I have in here is my little mouse on a hammock. Now I have realised that I've either made this too small or I've made this too big. But just because it's a demonstration, I'm just going to put this in regardless. Able to show me most of the mouse. And I think that is about it. There we go. So I need to put something behind here in order to create the inside of the toadstool. So all I've done is stuck a piece of paper to the back of that, and then when you open the door you get to see the mouse in his hammock. Here's my finished scene. So we have our little toadstool, we have a flower there, and we have a little bit of grass. We have a couple of little bees. We have our table with the cake and the vase of flowers, a cup of tea and a teapot, a little ladybird down here, and then of course you open the door and you see the mouse having a little bit of rest and relaxation inside his home. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.